All right. We've got a GMC van here. It will start wide open throttle, run for a second, and then die. You take a look at your live data, you see -40. That means that sensor shorted out. To test that, I've got an ohm box. Put on there and copy the ohms the sensor is supposed to be at temperature. 152 or 56 degrees. Now it should fire up. Yep. So we're gonna replace that sensor and retest. Okay, we've got our sensor in there. It ain't wrapped up yet. See, live data says 134 is the actual temperature. So now it should be running good. Oh yeah. Remember folks, coolant temperature determines fuel ratio. Pay attention.